or 3 weeks that I haven't posted any videos. So today we're going to do something really nice. It's nostalgic for Filipinos because it's very known. We call it, we're going to make chicken adobo. But this time I'm going to put a little twist. I'm going to add coconut. Okay? So if the chicken adobo is the father and the chicken ginataan is the mother, this will be the product, the child. Anyway, that's funny, isn't it? So anyway, let's start with our ingredients, okay? So we have chicken. I mixed the chicken I've mixed the chicken. I used thigh as well as breast. And we have ginger, bay leaf, onions, garlic, chillies, and obviously the mushroom that is always there when I do cooking, and bell peppers and French. They call it French beans. Whereas Tagalog is bitsuelas. Okay, now I've got two kinds of soy sauce. I have a thick soy sauce which is dark, and vinegar, coconut, ground black pepper, and the soya sauce from the Philippines. So I'm going to show you. This is what I use. So I'm using the Philippine soy sauce. It's marca piña because this soy sauce is not hydrolyzed. It actually fermented naturally, so it's healthy. And the same, I'm using the soya sauce, dark soy sauce. It's still got a mushroom flavor, and the same, it's not hydrolyzed, so it's healthy. Okay, now let's start. I'm going to add the olive oil, so we'll start sauteing the adobo. So first I'm going to add the garlic first with the chilies. Okay, the chilies actually is optional, so if you want your chicken adobo hot, you can actually put it, or otherwise you just take it off. It's because it's with gata or ginataan or with coconut. You like it hot, isn't it? So I'm going to add this. Okay, so when you're sauteing, the same as before, make sure that you press the garlic, so the flavor will come out. Okay. So I'm adding the onions. I love actually the smell of the garlic, ginger and onions together. We're going to add our chicken. Okay, let's put our chicken. And the black pepper. Okay, so add the black pepper. I'm going to close the lid, okay, and let it simmer a little bit. And yes, my husband actually, Tito Sweet, they call him Tito Sweet. He did cook the adobo, chicken adobo, and what he did, he added the coconut. And my kids actually just love it. It's so good. Yung si Tito Sweet kasi chicken adobo lang, as in with coconut. Yan ang ginawa niya. For me, I'm going to add vegetables. para may twist. Kasi if you eat this one with vegetables, it's already complete. You've got vitamins, minerals, and obviously protein. So it's better, isn't it? Rather than just protein. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it over. Alright? Turn over natin. Ayan. Takpan ulit natin. Close the lid again. Okay. So now we'll turn it again. Ooh. It smells so good. Oops. We have to let the chicken brown a little bit before we add the soya sauce. Okay. Okay. We'll close the lid again. So I'm just going to turn it over again. Oh, it's so good. Smells so good as well. So now I think we're ready to add our bay leaf and our soya sauce. And okay, our dark sauce. Okay, and we can add our mushroom. Right. The mushroom actually, as I said before, it gives the flavoring, the seasoning. So instead of using the chicken stock or the bouillon, just use the mushroom. Now we'll cover it again. So we're going to take that away again. Alright. And just turn. So what we just need to do is just try to make it so what we're going to do, we'll just wait until it dries a little bit before we will add later on our coconut. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just leave it open, okay, like that. Okay, so now we just need to leave it open like this, alright, until it dries a little bit. What I'm going to add now is our vinegar. Look at this. Vinegar. I love the smell. It's so nice. Amoy pa lang, ulam na. Ganon. Okay. So I think it's starting to dry a bit, yeah. Now we're going to add our milk, coconut milk. Ayan, gata. The coconut has very high content in fat, but it's a good fat. And so it's healthier than the vegetable oils or the rest of the vegetable. It has got HDL, which is the good fats. Okay, so now I'm going to add this coconut oil. Oh man, coconut milk. So now we've added the coconut milk, okay, into our adobo. Wow. So okay, so we'll just wait again until it dries up a bit, okay? So now the chicken actually is, you can see, tuyo na siya. It's already dried, okay? And you can see it's a bit glazy. Look, it's glazing, yeah? So meaning to say this one is ready. What we're going to do now, we'll add our vegetables, okay? The vegetables should be crispy, al dente. Okay, so we'll just make it like this. It's so good. And we'll close a bit, okay? And wait. Now I think our vegetable is ready. Oh, that's really nice. So it's ready to serve. Okay. Alright. So this is our chicken adobo with coconut milk. Okay. So now it's cooked. Now this time we're going to try it. We will eat it with rice, which is the best. We always eat this one with rice because it's a bit salty and sour, and there's a bit of sweetness because of the chilies. Okay, so this is the outcome of the ginataan adobo, chicken ginataan adobo. No, chicken adobo with coconut milk, or chicken adobo with gata. Okay, now let's try. Okay, so we will see how it tastes. I had the ginger actually. But I love the ginger, so I eat everything. And it's chicken. The sourness and the sweetness that comes from the chilies and the soya sauce and the coconut. Oh, it's so good. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I would invite you again to please watch my next videos, and please subscribe and like and share. Thank you, and I love you. Mwah. Bon appetit!